Ever feel like your business banking is stuck in the Stone Age? Like you're wrestling with clunky interfaces, hidden fees that pop up like unwelcome guests, and support that's slower than a snail in molasses? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, your business needs a financial partner that understands the rhythm of modern commerce, a partner that empowers you instead of holding you back. Think about it. You're building something amazing, pouring your heart and soul into your venture. You're innovating, creating, and serving your customers. The last thing you need is your bank account feeling like a complicated obstacle course. You need speed, transparency, and tools that actually help you grow. That's where Relay Bank comes into the picture. Now, you might be thinking, another bank? What makes this one so different? And that's a fair question. Let's dive into why Relay Bank isn't just another financial institution. It's a purpose-built platform designed to fuel the ambitions of businesses like yours. One of the first things you'll notice about Relay is its commitment to simplicity and transparency. Forget about deciphering pages of fine print just to understand what you're being charged. Relay offers clear, straightforward pricing with no hidden fees. Imagine knowing exactly what you're paying for, allowing you to budget with confidence and focus on what truly matters, growing your business. This isn't just a perk, it's a fundamental shift in how business banking should operate. But simplicity doesn't mean a lack of power. Relay is packed with features designed to streamline your financial operations. Take, for instance, the ability to open multiple checking accounts with ease. Why is this a game changer? Well, think about it. You can dedicate specific accounts for different purposes, one for operating expenses, another for marketing, perhaps one for taxes. This level of organization makes it incredibly easy to track your cash flow, understand where your money is going, and make informed financial decisions. No more sifting through one giant account trying to piece everything together. Speaking of cash flow, Relay understands that managing your money efficiently is crucial for business survival and growth. That's why they offer seamless integrations with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. Imagine your transactions automatically syncing, eliminating the tedious and error-prone process of manual data entry. This not only saves you valuable time but also provides a real-time snapshot of your financial health, empowering you to make proactive adjustments. In today's digital landscape, the ability to manage your finances on the go is non-negotiable. Relay's intuitive online and mobile banking platforms are designed with you in mind. Whether you're at your desk, on the road, or meeting with clients, you have secure and easy access to your accounts, can make payments, transfer funds, and monitor your balances. It's banking that fits into your busy schedule, not the other way around. Beyond the core banking features, Relay offers tools that actively support your business growth. Consider their virtual and physical debit cards for your team. You can easily issue cards with customizable spending limits, track expenses in real time, and even freeze or cancel cards instantly if needed. This level of control and visibility over team spending can significantly improve efficiency and prevent unauthorized expenses. Furthermore, Relay recognizes the importance of collaboration. You can invite team members to access specific accounts with defined roles and permissions. This eliminates the bottleneck of having a single point of contact for all financial tasks and empowers your team to manage their responsibilities effectively while maintaining security and control. Now, let's talk about payments. In the modern economy, businesses need to be able to send and receive money quickly and efficiently. Relay offers fast and reliable ACH transfers and the ability to send and receive wire transfers. This ensures smooth transactions with suppliers, vendors, and customers, helping you maintain strong business relationships and keep your operations running smoothly. But what truly sets Relay apart is its focus on small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs. They understand the unique challenges and opportunities that SMBs face. They're not trying to be everything to everyone, they're laser-focused on providing the financial tools and support that growing businesses truly need. This means their features are tailored to your specific requirements, not watered-down versions of enterprise solutions. Think about the time you've wasted dealing with traditional banks, navigating complex bureaucracies, and waiting endlessly for support. Relay prioritizes responsive and helpful customer support. They understand that when you have a question or an issue, you need a timely and effective resolution. Their support team is accessible and knowledgeable, ready to assist you so you can get back to focusing on your business. Moreover, Relay is constantly evolving, adding new features and integrations based on the needs of their users. They're not a static institution, they're a dynamic platform that grows with your business. This commitment to continuous improvement means you can be confident that you'll always have access to cutting-edge financial tools. Let's recap some of the key benefits. With Relay Bank, you get transparent and simple pricing, no hidden fees, just clear and predictable costs. Multiple checking accounts, organize your finances and track cash flow with ease. Seamless accounting integrations, automate your bookkeeping and gain real-time financial insights. Intuitive online and mobile banking, manage your finances anytime, anywhere. Virtual and physical debit cards for teams, control spending and track expenses efficiently. Team collaboration features, empower your team with secure and controlled access. Fast and reliable payments, send and receive money quickly and efficiently. A focus on small and medium-sized businesses, features and support tailored to your needs. Responsive and helpful customer support, get the assistance you need when you need it. Continuous innovation, access to new features and integrations as your business grows. Choosing the right banking partner is a critical decision for any business. It's not just about where you keep your money, it's about finding a partner that understands your vision, supports your growth, and empowers you to achieve your goals. Relay Bank offers a refreshing alternative to traditional banking, providing a modern, transparent, and feature-rich platform designed specifically for the needs of today's businesses. It's about taking control of your finances, streamlining your operations, and freeing up your time to focus on what you do best, building your business. So, if you're tired of the frustrations of outdated banking systems and are looking for a financial partner that truly understands and supports your entrepreneurial journey, it might be time to take a closer look at Relay Bank. It could be the key to unlocking the next level of growth and efficiency for your business. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.